Ever wondered where great marketing ideas come from? You're in the right place. Welcome to Tevdora Marketing Wisdom Unlocked.
We know limited stock works, but are there more sophisticated scarcity types?
Beyond quantity, let's master two of the most powerful types: scarcity of time and scarcity of access. Time scarcity creates decision urgency. Flash sales and deadlines trigger our fear of missing out.
Access scarcity builds loyalty through exclusivity. VIP access makes people feel chosen and special.
But doesn't this risk feeling manipulative? How do we use scarcity ethically?
Use the S.A.F.E framework: substantiated, aligned, finite, ethical. Then pick a type, prove it, and announce clearly.
Ready to master marketing? Your journey begins right here.
Subscribe now, and let's unlock your marketing potential.